This is how I animate my Lego videos. What you're about to see is behind the scenes of my newest video, What If Batman Was in Star Wars? The first part of my process is to create or download models from Mecha Bricks. This is a free site where you can digitally build Legos. It does cost some money for add-ons if you want better quality, but it's 100% worth it. You can start out with the free version though. I will then export it into a Blender compatible file and bring it into Blender. Don't forget the minifigures. I will then set up the camera. The key to this is making sure the depth of field is really low so that the Legos will look more miniature. For the minifigures, make sure you have the free Epic Fig Rig add-on installed. I have to rig the figure before I move him into position. Next up, lighting. I would say that lighting is the most important part of any 3D animation, or any video in general. Good lighting will make your video look more like a movie. I like using the free HDRIs from Polyhaven as a base, and then choose an ACES option to look more colorful. You'll want your main light on your figure to be on the opposite side the camera is on. Then, a backlight will also make things look good. I add extra lights to the scene if need. Using a reference image for lighting helps a ton. I also like to use images for the backgrounds. It saves work and render time, while still giving a good look. For this particular video, I added some point lights to Batman's eyes to mimic the Lego Batman movie. After all of this, I'll do a test render so I can do some compositing. I like to add two things. First, lens distortion. Second, glares. Now it's time for the face. I go to the image editor to erase the existing face, then apply the Mecha Face add-on. Pow! Mecha Face is great because it has a whole library of presets. I record my audio in advance and then edit it in Premiere Pro before bringing it into Blender. Now it's time to lip sync. Now for the fun part, animating the figures. I try my best to mimic the Lego movie, but still haven't mastered it yet. Animating gets easier the more you do it. A lot of times, I'll animate the head separately so they look more alive. Now it's time to render. After renders, I'll put them in Premiere Pro to edit the final product. I hope you found this helpful or just enjoyed the behind the scenes look. Check out the final video right here and like and subscribe for more Lego animations.
Okay then, I'll do what I'm best at. Batman stuff.